Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Not only follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram. Hit the calendar button. Please subscribe. Hit the like button. Fire it up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. We're back at Universal Studios Hollywood. Beautiful Monday. Weather's gorgeous today. And this Friday's the 60th. Finally
open today.
Yeah. Is the trams open today? That's a real question.
Yeah, we'll find out.
Yeah, we'll find out. Today we're going to be doing updates, horror nights. That's kind of really what I want to focus on. I want to get on Jurassic World. I haven't been on it in a minute. And if the studio tour is open, we're definitely going to get on. April 27th, we're going to have a Fall Guy pre-show coming to Waterworld. So we'll be covering that later on this week. Got some decorations that have now gone up on all the light poles down this main street when you walk in for the 60th. Don't forget, they got new foods too at Hollywood and Dine. Inside Elimination Store, we got some new headbands that have arrived. Look at that, with Jurassic World tag. And then this one, is it a raptor? Oh, it has a lot of dinosaurs. T-Rex. All right. Dinosaur lights? I don't know. Is this like from Camp Cretaceous or whatever that show is called? We also got these headbands. Bunch of minions on the top. And then we got a Timbo slice. They're 22 bucks. And this headband looks like he's on vacation. Banana. Despicable Me headband, yours forever. And then a lot of, I don't even know, bucket hats, I guess you would say. What is this one? Wow. And then, what do we got here, Junior? Kung Fu Panda. Dude, I've never seen these. Wow. Is it tight on the head?
Nah, it feels good. It's really good.
You should buy it. And then this bucket hat too.
Do I look?
You look good.
These don't. I've put a lot of ears on in my life. These don't feel like Disneyland. Like, they're comfortable.
Yeah.
It's not like squeezing my head. I would say these. I would recommend these headbands.
Yeah, they feel really good. It's not tight. Just wanted to take a quick look at Hello Kitty store. Still got these items for the 50th. And then this backpack. Very cute, very cute. And then I guess these sold out for a little while, but they got them back in stock. Here at Universal, they are 35 bucks. They've closed up the plaza. A lot of people keep telling me it's for Grad Bash, so as much as I would like it to be some summer theme, horror nights, you know, stuff like that, I heard it's Grad Bash. What's up, Gwen? Can I get a high five? Ah, a high wing. You're so cute. I love your movie. Just want to say. It is April 22nd, and still no tent over here at Parisian Courtyard. I don't think there's rain on the horizon, so I don't know. We'll keep a close eye though. Back at it again for some Fast and Furious coverage. Lots of workers on the upper lawn, mainly right there. I wonder when the conversation finally starts going with a show building coming here, you know? Because last time, concrete and stuff was being poured over there. Because this will be loading area, show building, queue for the ride. So, lot going on there. Let's take a look on the hill. To get a look on the hillside, tons of progress. All these foundation blocks for the roller coaster. Looks like we got concrete being poured in this area. It might be like a wall. So those might be walls right there. And then this is walls. Looking beautiful. Let's go check out Mummy. Maybe get a look at the other Halloween Horror Night house out there. See if more facade work's happening. Right across the escalators is what it's looking like. We saw all these foundations being worked on. Looks like they're closing them up. I guess to go up. That's gonna be the big thing. Can't wait to start seeing the beams. All right, let's go check on the Horror Night house. Taking a look at the house behind Mummy. Not a lot of progress from the last time we were out here in the facade. Some people are saying that it's a garage, that there's gonna be a parked car right there. I don't know the validity of that. You know, the big room or two, quiet place, but I don't know. I don't freaking know. To me, it's just a hole in a freaking facade. For all we know, it could be Last of Us. Why? Because Last of Us kind of looked like that, to be honest. But we'll see. We'll see. And then all the way behind Transformers, lots of walls. I'm guessing the walkway that you're going to be doing for the maze is done too. The real question is, can we see a facade for whatever this is back here? Yeah. So the facade behind Transformers, they're for sure working on it. Who knows what it's going to be out there. Up next, Jurassic World. Haven't been on it in like a week or two. It's time.
Home to an explosion of life at the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus,
It looks cool. Got a lot of new hats that have arrived. Jurassic Park. I don't even know what kind of dinosaur this one is. And then these. A lot of new headbands. I think those are new too. I've never seen that. Wow. You even got Dodger hats? I'm just kidding. That's my hat. What the heck is this? I don't even know what that is. Huh. Walked into Jurassic Cafe. I had no idea we were gonna have a shark bite. Shark bite. Wrong movie franchise, but there's a shark bite drink. And a bunch of other new desserts. Let me go over this menu. But for the shark bite drink for the 60th, it's tequila, Sprite, blue Caraco, coconut syrup, all sorts of stuff with a shark lollipop. Also too, this Pyro Raptor refresher. That's brand new. I don't recall ever seeing that. I feel like this menu has got an upgrade. All right. Got some salads. They're doing potato wedges now. Last time I was here, they were actually doing like banana chips. I guess they've gone away from that. Half roasted chicken adobo. They also got a smoked brisket sandwich. First time seeing that one. And then a Brazilian cheesy bread. Empanadas, beef or chicken. And then hummus with mixed vegetables and chips. And if you're really hungry, you can get the whole shebang with the family feast, 70 bucks. Wow. That's cool. I want to see the desserts though. I saw that they got desserts over here. There they are. T-Rex cake, coconut flan, and a fossil cake jar. There's a lot of stuff that arrived for the 60th that I felt like wasn't on the blog, but hey. Glam Tram ice cream. And then a sundae for two. Wow. Okay. Is it like 60th flavors kind of thing? I don't know. That's cool. Also over here at Studio Scoop, I feel like this is new. I don't recall them having ice cream like that. Maybe we got these sundaes. Strawberry serendipity. Milkshakes. Wow. I don't recall the menu being like that. Let me know if this is new or not. So shout out to Junior. Got the Glam Tram ice cream. What do you think?
Really good.
What does it taste like? The strawberry?
Strawberry vanilla.
Oh, all right. 5 fires? Dang. That's 5 fires. That's really good. Up next, we're going to the studio tour. Chill for 1 hour, and I think that'll be all for today's trip. I think today they're still doing annual pass holder preview for studio tour. We're just going on a regular studio tour, but the last one, as of today, 5:15, so it goes kind of late. We're just on a regular studio tour right now, but they're already doing the whole 60th spiels and everything.
Now, NBC Universal's television history, by the way, goes back over 80 years with the transmission of the opening day ceremonies of the 1939 New York.
After Kong, we're going through the metro
To the left-hand
sets.
side of the tram right
We're not
now,
going through the show cars or Jurassic Park
sets. Now, our Metropolitan sets are actually
or even,
some of our
I don't
more
even think we're going to do the
recent
flash
sets,
flood, but
more
we'll see.
redesigned and rebuilt back in 2000.
And self-action. Did you know the Metro sets were once the home to Hollywood's biggest star? Right here is where the original studio tour King Kong attraction resided from 1986 until 2008. He stood 30 feet tall and weighed in at 13,000 pounds. Over the years, millions of guests got to meet King Kong face to face as he shook the tram. So close you could feel his hot banana breath.
Not to panic, folks. I'm sure that's just one of our California summers. Just a quick reminder to please stay seated at this time. This might be the big one, folks. we're now headed to another classic studio tour attraction. Here to tell you more about it is today's show co-host and weather anchor, Al Roker.
Time for my favorite part of the tour, weather. When it comes to film and TV, it is truly a special effect. In fact,
Sit down to talk about War of the World. I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
you're doing good.
You're doing good. Keep pressing me.
The tour, one of our hallmarks was to visit Prop Plaza, where guests disembarked for once-in-a-lifetime photos and interact with characters,
It's empty
vehicles,
today.
and props
I got lucky.
from their favorite productions. Well, just for our 60th anniversary.
So they're just doing a soft preview for anybody right now. It's gonna close at, I guess, like 5:15 for pass holders only. But it's cool that we got like a technical rehearsal. And don't miss out on this photo. And then this one's kind of like a sneaky photo with the Hollywood sign. Don't miss out on that. Lots of cool photo ops out here. On the backside over here, they do have bathrooms. I know that was a big question. They do. They got porta potties. This is so cool that we're on the studio tour lot. The whole fact of walking on the studio tour, amazing. Short waits today. It's probably gonna get busy though for pass holder preview. Is there any chance we get a shark scare zone for Terror Tram? I just don't want this thing to leave. It's too good. We need it for the Terror Tram. Oh man.
NBC Universal Productions that you saw on the tour today, I thought some of them you can make copy get your hands on. Like Universal Pictures, Home Entertainment,
That is all for today's adventure. We got to get a good look. The facade behind Transformers is really coming alive, and it looks like it's going to be tall for what's happening at Curious George. I still can't make out what's going on over there. But for Parisian Courtyard, where's the tent? Where are all the other tents? I don't know. Things have to heat up. We're about to go into May, so not much time left. Hopefully we get announcements soon too, and dates and tickets and stuff like that for Horror Nights, because we really need something. But it was really cool too that we got to do the 60th, even though it hasn't started officially till Friday. So I got to experience it while it's calm. Don't miss out on those photo ops. It's really, really cool. Smash that like button, burn it down.